Hi everyone, and welcome to WASP 3D. In today's video, we'll be teaching you how to create bar graph live graphic along with its animations and data management for vMix and OBS. Before we start, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss any update from us. Without any further delay, let's get started. Create a rectangle and set its width and height. Create its copies by duplicating, like we have created here. Enable outline and set the outline color for first rectangle. Set different fill color of transitional slides. Create a uniform material, place the background image texture and assign the material to frontmost rectangle. To create a mask, duplicate one more rectangle. Animate the rectangles by switching on the Auto key button and the changing positions. Create a bigger outline than of rectangle. Animate its offset. And duplicate it. Create a rectangle for heading part. Set its width, height, and position accordingly. Now, create a text object for heading part. Set its font style and size. Create rectangles for name value band, data value band, and sample color. Set their height width and fill the color. Now, animate the data. Duplicate the group, place it at the negative y-axis. Animate the heading. Create a new UDT with bar graph as absolute template type and give its name. Create Pi object and choose object type as bar, change the height, width and slice offset params. Select bar data to open the table data dialog. Set the number of bars to 2. Now link the UDT data with the bar graphic by importing the UDT table into the scene. Drag and drop the bar data from UDT1 to the column. Set the first column visibility as none and check on the visibility. Open the UDT bar data in Data Tables. Now, wire the label to label text, value to value text, and fill color to fill color of rectangle using drag-drop method. Now animate the height of the bar graph in the Animation Effects section for bar graph animation. For appropriate view timing, add pause infinite in the default at the 50th frame and add reverse forward in the default at 51st frame. Then, add play complete backward in the first frame. Create the form by adding the text box for heading and UDT for other data. Save your design in the form of a template for future use. Now, to play the graphic in vMix, select NDI/desktop capture option from Input in vMix and click on Wasp 3D. Play the graphics using Playout Client as shown here. You can also play the graphic in OBS Studio by adding NDI source and selecting the system name. Then, play the graphics from Playout Client and you are done. You can create more such brand-owned graphics as per your creativity. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more such updates on creating some super amazing 3D live graphics for your vMix, OBS, or other live streaming application.